Hello YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you some of the Chinese power bank batteries. These batteries you see here, they connect them in series, in parallel, so that you can't even know what's wrong with the battery. You see this one, it's fake. I'm having 0 voltage. Even this one itself, it is fake. So what these people do, they give you like 3 working batteries. So I have some of the samples here. As you can see here, you connect them in parallel. It's very difficult for you to get to know the truth of if the battery is not working. So if I connect here, you saw my volts on my multimeter is showing 4 volts. So we want to see what's inside there. So I'm going to get this battery here. As you can see, it has a plastic cap inside. I want to see what's inside. So this is the cover, it just popped out when I was disconnecting. I want to see what's inside here. Why doesn't it work? This is what is inside the battery. Can you imagine what's happening here? This is why your power banks are very heavy. We are having sand. This is what these guys are giving us. They are shipping sand to Africa. They are shipping sand to US. We don't know why this is happening, and no one is talking about this. These guys, they'll give you only like 1 to 3 batteries which are working. Then they'll put sand in your power banks. So I wanted to show you what's happening around the world. This is a very, very big scam. We have very many, like this sample here. We will have 2 working, then others will be sand. Can you imagine what's here? And if you want to read, these are the kind of batteries. This is very, very bad. This is sand from China. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.